before I can upload yesterday's vlog episode, the very first one, I have to fix the thumbnail. It auto-corrected the word vlog to blog. Whatever. Let's get it done. Alright, here we go. And the vlog is live. Alright, kids are dropped off at school, except my daughter because she's sick again. Poor girl. She's going to school tomorrow though, I told her. I'm not entirely sure today's real, but I'm gonna give her the benefit of the doubt. Anyways, back to the house to do some website stuff, and then later on today I'm gonna deliver a bed. Alright, let's do some work. Quick little change of plans. I gotta go rescue my friend. Actually, the person who I just made the bed for.
Did you get my key?
Yeah, I got your key.
Thank you.
Let's look at this piece that did this.
Look at this. Look at her. She's unbothered. Oh, she hates you. Oh, babe. Oh, babe.
So what happened? She locked your car door?
I went inside to get something, and I didn't take my key or my cell phone with me. And then, yeah, my lock is like, if she were to look out the window, that's my lock. What a little jerk.
Isn't that the most ridiculous dog you've ever seen? It's cute as hell, but it's ridiculous. Right. Okay, now it's time to work. That's better. Alright, so I'm sitting here at my computer trying to get some website stuff done. My website's about to expire and all the hosting and all that stuff, and I'd really like to switch to a different provider. I don't know how to do any of that stuff, so I have to figure it out. So I'm chatting with the potential new provider. See how it goes. Maybe I can get my website thing all sorted out. Because when it expires, I don't know what to do. I could pay for it again, but I don't like my current service. I don't want to pay for it again. So I need to switch to something else. So I gotta figure that out. That's what I'm doing. It's not all glamour and shop time, fellas. It's not all glamour and shop time. Our computer work is done. Time to go see if I can fit this bed into my truck and deliver it and install it and all that. Look at this. It just fits in my truck. Just barely. It's almost like I planned it. I didn't. And I was actually worried about it. But it fits. Time to deliver and install.
This is my bed. Shoe.
Right on. Yeah, I need to lay on it to make sure it works.
Don't break it. Feel solid? Yeah. Okay, and then let it go.
Yeah. Bed's all installed. Boom, boom, boom. It works. It folds up and down, and it like, see what I'm saying? If you didn't understand yesterday, you understand now.
Do you feel like it's pretty solid?
No.
Yeah. Do you know what solid means? Woo!
So well.
So.
What do you think? How did it go?
I love it.
Yeah,
it's
you're
great.
into it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh,
Oh, can I pick her up? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
she'll let you.
Do you want to sit on my lap?
No, Willow.
Oh, you want to sit on Lara's lap?
Well, what about my baby dog?
The door locking dog.
She's caused me a lot of stress today. It's fine. Yeah, no,
She
I love
looks
it. I
really
think it's
stressed.
great. It's gonna give us a lot of extra room in there, and it kind of also gives me the motivation to like do other things in here, in the crap cabin, because I love it. I love this place to bits, but gotta put some time in.
Well, good deal. So it's all installed. It works. It is what she wanted, which is good, right? We're good.
Are we doing like letter grades or number grades?
You can give it a letter grade. Give it a letter grade.
I think it's an A+.
So like from concept to
Concept.
install.
No, super quick.
good?
Everything was great.
It was really easy.
Yeah.
To do.
Wow.
And it was cheap as hell too.
Yeah. Well, that's good. I can't afford your other stuff.
I can't afford my other stuff. That's why I have to build it for myself. All right, cool.
No.
So, let's drink a beer before we go back to work.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here for a little bit.
Are you?
Yeah. Gotta clean up this place.
You guys should know it's not. I don't typically just like drink beer with my clients. Lara's actually a really good friend of mine. We've been friends since we were like teenagers.
Yeah.
So, we hang out. All right, guys, back in the shop, and I'm gonna try to repair my random orbit sander. Check this thing out. The hook and loop doesn't hook the loops. So instead of replacing the sander or even just replacing the pad, I'm gonna try to fix it. Alright, so here's the pad. Got some Velcro here. Obviously I only need like one side of this. The hooky side. And it seems to stick pretty well. Like it seems to stick on there. This is an old pad too, so. But anyways, I think it'll work. And I think what I'm gonna do is just set up some 5-minute epoxy and spread a really thin layer all over this thing. And then just cut this and put it on there. Alright, so I got this shop towel here. I'm going to lay this on top of my table saw because it's nice and flat, and then put a weight on it and, you know, wait a half hour or something. See what happens. Alright, it's been some time. Let's see what we got. Didn't stick to this, that's good. Oh, it's stuck to the towel. It's just the Velcro. Got a little squeeze out right there. Must have slid or something. It's on there though. That seemed to have worked pretty well. Not sure if cutting Velcro on your bandsaw is an approved use. Sorry, Grizzly. So, let's see if we can get these holes drilled in it. It's not super clean. Alright, so I got all the holes drilled. So far, so good. I just need to clean these up somehow. I have this little pair of curved scissors that have been in my shop forever. I don't even know where they came from. One of my kids must have brought them up here or something. And I'm going to try to clean up these holes with these little scissors. See how that goes. Alright guys, got all the holes cut out and stuff. Let's put it back on the sander, see how it works. Alright guys, I'm gonna call that good. You know, this is a pretty rough piece. I didn't sand all the roughness off of it, but it would have had I continued. And there's hardly any dust. I think my sander's back to new. You know, not really one to drop names or anything, but gotta say, I think that Mr. Tim Sway might just be proud of me for fixing my sander as opposed to replacing it, or even buying a new pad. The Velcro costs like $3 at Joann Fabrics with a 40% off coupon. A new pad's like 20. Little 5-minute epoxy, already had it. $3 fix, sander's good to go. Alright guys, this is going to pretty much wrap it up for the day, I think, but I wanted to show you one more thing. I'm working on these nightstands that sort of match the bed that I recently built, the one with the curves on the headboard and the footboard and stuff. These are curved front drawer nightstands. It's got the same curve as the bed does proportionally and all that stuff. And it's just dry fit right now. I still have to tape the legs and all that junk. They're coming along. It's going to be a build video coming soon. It's going to be awesome. It's time to go mow my yard. Just to give you guys an idea of like crap I have to go through, that scene at the end where like I was mowing and then I made the mower disappear and stuff, I had to shoot that twice because the first time I forgot to shoot like after the mower disappears, and then once I realized that, right before I filmed it the second time that you just saw, the deck on the belt on the mower deck broke, so I didn't even mow anything. Look, I gotta go buy a new belt. I just bought one and it broke. What is up with that?